Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some of the stocks on the move at this hour. Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Emily Gorfeo is in the house, and she's starting with one that we're talking about a lot today.
Yeah, I know you guys have probably talked about Tesla.
It's okay.
Many times today and also after the bell, but it's a big story because not only is it a massive company, but it's a really big stock move today. It's down 9%, biggest drop since June, wiping out about $90 billion in market cap.
That's real.
These losses hold into the close. What it was really about was this warning from Musk that there's going to be hard times ahead for the company. But then when you actually look at the numbers, revenue is down 12% year over year, missed estimates, adjusted EPS missed. But again, typically, investors kind of have looked at Tesla and they've looked at the promises that Musk has made on robo-taxis and AI, and sometimes they're able to overlook maybe a sales slump. This quarter, it was not the case. So we have a lot of kind of Wall Street people weighing in. I know you guys have interviewed some people that are long the stock and are kind of questioning now, how much longer do you hold on? It's interesting when you look at the year-to-date declines, it's down about 25% this year. If you look over the last 12 months, it's still up about 40%, which is actually outperforming the S&P 500 in that time frame. So depending on when you get in, you might still be up, but
this has been a volatile stock for a long time. A big move such as this, it's obviously big in the, what did you say, $90 billion?
In market cap.
Market cap move today.
Just in a day.
Well, but if you've been a long-term shareholder, you're used to the ups and downs of Tesla.
Well, that's what Ross Gerber said. He's who's been selling, but he said he's got some investors who bought the stock when it was $2 a share. And so they still kind of want to be in it because you just don't know. Well, there's also capital gains that they're worried about at this point. But anyway.
Yeah, I mean, people have a lot of thoughts about Tesla, so it definitely gets a lot of attention. But I think it's worthy just to look at the magnitude of this drop today.
UnitedHealth, why are you looking at this one?
So this stock is down. Right now, it's down about 4%. It's hitting its lowest level since May 16. There's been not a lot of positive headlines when it comes to UnitedHealth. Today, the health insurer said that it's responding to criminal and civil requests from the DOJ about its Medicare practices. Basically what they're doing, the news today is that they had confirmed reports of probes that had been surfacing over the last 2 years. They said they're cooperating with the company, but nevertheless, it's not really something investors want to deal with. And it's really just adding to the mounting troubles at the insurer. They had withdrawn their guidance, as we've seen a lot of companies do during this time of economic uncertainty.
It's been a rough year for them.
But yeah, they had replaced a top exec. So this is kind of just weighing on the stock even further.
Down 44% though, year to date. So
yes.
ouch.
Every one of your stocks that you brought us
is a decliner.
Is a decliner, and also like a decliner by quite a bit.
Why so negative, Emily?
What is going on, Emily?
I wanted to keep it exciting.
All right, well, you did with Chipotle. What's going on with Chipotle?
So I picked Chipotle because this was a pretty large move, and I know it's a company that obviously we're all familiar with. At least I am. I eat Chipotle probably a couple times a day. Not a couple times a day. Oh my gosh. A couple times a month. Right now it's down 14%. They cut their annual outlook for the second time this year. Apparently their honey chicken wasn't enough to offset a traffic slump. Again, I said I eat Chipotle. Not
4 times a day.
So apparently you don't eat the honey chicken?
I tried the honey chicken once. I personally did not like it.
Okay.
I thought it was like too much. Have you guys had that?
I haven't. I'm just thinking, do you need sweet chicken in a
bowl already? Yeah. And then they also, so they had a comparable sales decline of 4% in the quarter. Usually this is a company, big. Right. Usually they're in a positive territory for that number. So that missed estimates, but also it's just not a good sign to see a sales decline. In an interview with Bloomberg, the CEO cited economic volatility weighing on lower income consumers, those people pulling back, and that being one reason why the sales were declining.
What does this mean? The company did cite a boost from a strong plan to lap brisket? To lap brisket? What the heck does that mean?
We're going to have to go into a Chipotle.
I love me some brisket, but I'm not in September. Lap brisket.
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Folks,
I haven't had the brisket
at
at
Carol
Chipotle.
Master at X, feel free to let me know what that
Yeah,
means.
send me burritos. Send Carol commentary.
What that means. All right, CMG though down. Certainly in today's session, and it's down almost 25% year to date.
Yep, biggest intraday decline since March 2020.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.